So, good morning sir. Ano po yung akong system and randa na po. Piligin design ni sir kasi mas nanti nga kay mata sir. So, try tayo na po first username. Try tayo pa po hula-hula. Login mo. Invalid credential. Try again niya. And then, mag-register ta pa. So, my account. And then, subukan tayo pa nung 1, 2, 3. Tapos 1, 2, 3, 4. Tapos, Pampanga. Try tayo register sir nung mag-match yun. So, password do not match. And then, palitan tayong 1, 2, 3. Tapos, 09, 16, 05. So, mas piliin kay Pilipinas sir and then register. And then registration successfully. Okay. And then my account. Tapos 1, 2, 3. Login. Login successfully sir. Tapos okay. And then answer username, my account, address Pampanga, country Philippines, and birthday 09/16/2005. Logout ko na sir. Are you sure you want to log out? Yes. Yan lang sir. Good day. Bye.